Welcome to the Big Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to register your students for the contest. Registering your students ensures they can participate in this exciting contest and access valuable resources to improve their English skills. In your teacher account, head to the Registration tab on your dashboard. You'll be directed to the Registration dashboard. Next, click on Register Your Students, located under the Your Registration to the Contest section. A registration form will pop up. In the first section, add the participating teacher's details. Enter the gender, first name, last name, and email address of each participating teacher. If needed, add more teachers by clicking the plus button. Select the coordinator once all teachers are added, and click Continue. In the next section, Registration to the Contest, click the plus button next to the teacher's name. A form will appear. Select the number of students for each level based on your requirements. When you're done, click OK, and then Continue to proceed. You'll see your registration summary on the right-hand side. Review the summary and check the boxes at the bottom to confirm your registration. Click Submit. Congratulations! You've successfully registered your students for the contest. If you need assistance, visit our help centre or contact support. We're here to help you every step of the way. Thank you for watching and happy teaching!